everyone and welcome to Tiresome. Today is going to be the quickest episode ever. Maybe. Tim's here and what we're doing is one of my favourite things. We are going to be fixing and upgrading at the same time. Woohoo! What we are doing is fixing my mistake, which, if you may remember, when we fixed the shock, I may have accidentally broken the lens off of the indicator. This is what it... Fucking trains, man. Jesus. This is what it should look like. It should be like a nice teardroppy, sort of torpedo-y looking clear lens thing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, this is going to be easy. You're just going to glue a lens on, aren't you? Well, actually, you can get lenses, but they're like £15 each. Or you can get these. Now these, as you can see, retain that sort of clear lens look, but these are actually supposedly dynamic LEDs, which I think are actually a bit tacky, but the thing is, these were £13 for the pair. They do actually, normally, these sort of Chinese replacement-y ones come in black, because, you know, everyone that has a car like this blacks everything out. Oh, I want black things, I want the lights to be tinted so they work less. Whereas I wanted to not only retain the factory sort of look with the more classy sort of teardroppy ones, but this car's got chrome accents all over it, and I think those sort of clear ones do set it off a bit more than just the blackety black. So what we need to do is press something along the back side, something that doesn't scratch the paint, in order to press this clip in. These will pop out, and then all we do is plug this into the bulb holder that's already there, and then they'll light up absolutely fine.
Something that doesn't scratch the paint.
Something that doesn't scratch the paint, and
something that might get in there.
Okay, well, let's try on the one that's damaged already, shall we? Unfortunately, yet again, I've parked so close to the Supra that I could have done that better. Go on, Tim, have a little shim. Oh, fuck me dead. Ooh. So there's this paint protector there, and then the clip release. Oh wow, okay. That's come out, revealing the plug. On the back of them, they say RH, let LH. LH? Have we got a pair? We haven't got two rights or something, have we?
No, I've got right hand.
Okay, good.
That one looks like that one.
What do you mean?
Well, that's left hand.
Oh, I see. Oh, well, fear not. Don't worry about them. They don't know what they're talking about.
Exactly. It's right-hand drive, isn't it?
It is.
Right.
Yeah.
I know I'm dyslexic. I'm sure this is the right.
Go on, unplug that one.
It matches that one, so...
Yeah.
And the other one doesn't.
Have an unplug. Okay.
And it's a different type.
Oh, no, I know why.
Because you've got to have the bulb holder on.
I guess, yes. So don't unplug the thing.
Like a bulb.
Like a bulb. Touched for the very first time.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the bulb out. The bulb holder stays in.
A little bit of corrosion on there.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it.
Is there a... Well, probably isn't a way round for this. No LEDs like to be a specific way round.
Well, that's true, isn't it? I guess we'll find out. Should we test it before you pop it in?
Yes.
Okay.
Just let it sort of sit in there.
Oh, already though, you can tell, I mean, I don't know how well it's coming across on camera, but it looks so much better when it's like, well, not fucking shit. And there we have it. Look, an indicator. Isn't it great? We did actually have to use some switch cleaner because the contact was shite. In fact, we had to wiggle even the original bulb to put it in to make sure that it was not the whole thing or the wiring or something that was wrong. But it works great. Look at that. Go on, Tim, pop it in.
So it don't go out.
Oh, that's wonderful. Such a good press fit there.
That's the big one at the top. That's better.
Ah, there it is.
It's handled.
Cool.
So.
Boom. Oh my god, that looks so good. Oh yeah, I've been driving around with that bloody shattered one for ages, just with that shite bulb sticking out, and now look at it. I'm actually glad that that is just a straight strip of LEDs and not a progressive Audi replica thing.
Yeah,
because I think
it would have worked on such a long
Yeah, they're flashing too quickly. You wouldn't be able to get the whole thing. Anyway, let's go do the other side. So, actually, I just pulled this off just to try, and actually the glue is so deteriorated and shite on that. I reckon it's a common thing, this replacing of the indicatory bits. Can I do what Tim did? Tim did, slide the cardboard in there, then that in there, wrench it out, beautiful. Then we wrestle with this contraption. Oh, it's a little twisty boy. Yeah. Okay, take that out. This one's also corroded, so I'm going to do a bit of preventative maintenance now and do the switch cleaner on that one too. And it takes an almost exact amount of switch cleaner to get this right. You really just want to just about, yeah, that's about right, yeah. Any more than that and things happen, you know, bad things happen. I'm just going to use the old bulb in the lamp holder there just to rip through those contacts and brighten them up a bit. And then get the new one. Pop it in, and then put it the right way around, and then I'm just going to leave it dangle because we just test it, make sure we've got the yeah, sure, we'll make sure we got it right before we pop it in. Beautiful.
We have light.
So now I can put that in there, tighten it up, put the back in first, pop the front in. New indicators. Do another test.
Lovely.
And with that, thank you for watching Tiresome. This has probably been the quickest episode ever. Support me, become a member. For £1 a month you get perks and stuff. Thank you, Tim, for helping.
No worries.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
You fucker. You absolute fucker. I can't believe this.